Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School online classes. Today we are going to study Chapter 8, A Treat for Mosquitoes, Class 5. So let's begin. Now, what is a blood test? You all know that mosquitoes bite us and suck the blood, and they cause certain diseases like malaria and dengue. So, we get to know that a person is having such a problem by doing a blood test. So, let's see the conversation between Jaskirat, Rajat, Nancy, and Aarti. Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. How are you now? Asked Aarti. I am all right, Rajat replied softly. Jaskirat said, You must have played a lot while you were at home. Rajat says, Who wants to play when you have fever? On top of it, I had to take a bitter medicine. I even had a blood test. So Rajat is telling that he was not well and he had to take a bitter medicine also. Jaskirat said, A blood test? Why? It must have been very painful. Why a blood test is a painful thing? Because the person is pricked with a needle or blood is taken out using a needle. So Rajat says, actually when the needle pricked my finger, it felt like an ant bite. They took 2 to 3 drops of blood and sent it for testing. That's how we came to know that I had malaria. Nancy says, but you got malaria when a mosquito bites you? Rajat says, yes, but we find out by the blood test. So, the disease is caused by the bite of a mosquito, but how do we find it out? It is through a blood test. So, Jaskirat says, there are a lot of mosquitoes in my house these days, but I did not get malaria. Nancy, who says that every mosquito bite causes malaria? Malaria spreads only by the disease-carrying mosquitoes. So not all mosquitoes cause malaria. There is a special one who causes it. Aarti says all mosquitoes look the same to me. Rajat says there must be some difference. So in the first slide, this particular mosquito is the female Anopheles mosquito which causes malaria. So children, as you can see, the legs of this mosquito, there are some white patches on it. This is the mosquito that causes malaria. Here is an image taking the blood on the glass slide for test. Malaria spreads through female mosquito and the name of the mosquito is Anopheles. So female Anopheles mosquito causes malaria. Now here you can see the finger is being pricked and the blood is taken on a glass slide. How do we see that there is presence of mosquito causing germ in the blood? By seeing through a microscope. So as you can see in this image, Dr. Mariam looking at the blood slide under the microscope. This microscope makes things look 1,000 times bigger. So the tiny bit of the organism looks bigger through the microscope. The details inside the blood can be seen clearly. There are some microscopes which make things look even more bigger than this one. So those are even more specialized microscopes. So Nancy said, did they take the blood from the place where the mosquito had bitten you? So can you find out at which side the mosquito bit you and because of which you got the malaria? No, we cannot do that. So Rajat says, of course not. How do I know when and where the mosquito bit me? So Nancy says, but how could they find out that you had malaria by your blood test? Do you think they could see something in the blood? So of course they saw some pathogen in the blood which caused malaria. Here is a blood test report, children. As you can see, clinical pathology report. and it is from central government health scheme. This is the name of the patient, who is Rajat, age 11, and the gender is male, and the diagnosis was fever with chills and rigors. So ठंड लगकर कपकपी के साथ बुखार होना. So this is the sign and symptom of malaria. Malarial parasite found in blood samples. तो the malarial parasite means मलेरिया के जीवाणु, जो जीव मलेरिया फैलाता है, वो उस बच्चे के ब्लड में पाए गए थे. सो इससे हमें पता चलता है कि रजत हैड मलेरिया. Now this is a famous medicine for malaria. From early times, the dried and powdered bark of the cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for malaria. Earlier, people used to boil the bark powder and strain the water which was given to patients. Now tablets are made from this. So this is the bark, how it looks like, and this bark was boiled in water and then strained and given to the patient. Now even tablets are available of this bark. In which season is malaria more common? Why do you think this happens? So malaria is more common during the rainy season. This is because waterlogged and damp places provide suitable breeding environment for the mosquitoes. So as you can see in this image, there is water logging and lots of mosquitoes are breeding in this water. So this is why in rainy season malaria is spread, because mosquitoes find apt situation to be born and breed faster. Now for your homework, students, you have to think about it. What do you do in your house to protect yourself from mosquitoes? Also find out from your friends about what they do. Do this in your notebook, students. You have to write at least 3 to 4 points. We will meet again in the next class.